I am on boat. Welcome to Boatland. Sorry for bad quality. Bag phone. I am on boat. This is boat. Say hello to water. Hello, water. Oh, I'm going somewhere now. I've seen many things. I've seen beavers. I've seen turtles. And especially fish. Anyway, hello from Boatland. I don't know if you're gonna be able to see him up there because of bag phone quality. So phone no get wet in bag. But here other canoe people. Hello. Yep, it's fun. Turning dark. I guess we're gonna see some meteors or something. I like the water. It's cool. See some stuff. I'm in a kayak. Say hello to kayak. Hello. Water. It's the skyline. Once again, I'm going away from the current, so I'm gonna stop. Anyway, how's it going? I don't even know if you guys can hear me. Hello. So, update. It's the apocalypse. And I'm boating away from the world. Gonna find my own secluded environment. Live in the wild. Eat some beaver or whatever. I think they're trying to turn back, so might have to do that in a minute. Alright, we're turning back. Seen it. There's a bird. It's like Lion King, but with a bird instead of a lion. And it has nothing to do with the movie at all whatsoever. It's just a bird flying around. Man, bag phone quality isn't actually that bad. It's so shallow. My leg itches. It's shallow. Oh, wait. Might have gotten through it. Man, that was pretty awful. That wasn't even like a foot deep. Not even a foot. But you know what is a foot? Crime. Crime is a foot. Oh God. No, 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 no. Jesus Christ. I'm going under a bridge. Some rocks in here. Here, I'll take a picture of it and put it in the edit. So we're kind of floating out here now. I took the phone out of the bag, but it's dark. I'm moving it around and you can't see anything. It's not even any lights. So, I've maybe seen 2-3 meteors. It's a lot more underwhelming than I thought it would be. Also, it's like 11 o'clock at night. Yeah, I'm gonna go home probably pretty soon. Anyway, thanks for watching Boat Me. I was in Boat, and pretty soon I'm not gonna be in Boat. Gonna try to stream Fall Guys pretty soon. Don't know when that's gonna happen. I'll do it with Tyler maybe. Yeah, that'll probably be the next thing that I do on YouTube. Stream Fall Guys. And maybe another podcast, and then maybe... Well, I have to upload more Minecraft Free Wrangling, so that'll happen for sure. Anyway, see you.
finally awake. You were trying to cross the border, right? Walked right into that Imperial ambush, same as us. And that thief over there.
Damn you Stormcloaks. Skyrim was fine until you came along. Empire was nice and lazy. If they hadn't been looking for you, could have stolen that horse and been halfway to Hammerfell. You there, you and me, we shouldn't be here. It's these Stormcloaks the Empire wants.
We're all brothers and sisters in binds now, thief.
Shut up back there.
What's wrong with him, huh?
Watch your tongue. You're speaking to Ulfric Stormcloak, the true High King.
Ulfric? The Jarl of Windhelm? You're the leader of the rebellion. But if they've captured you... Oh gods, where are they taking us?
I don't know where we're going, but Sovngarde awaits.
No, this can't be happening. This isn't happening.
Hey, what village are you from, horse thief?
Why do you care?
A Nord's last thoughts should be of home.
Rorikstead. I'm from Rorikstead.
General Tullius, sir. The headsman is waiting.
Good. Let's get this over with.
Sure. Mara, Dibella, Kinnereth, Akatosh, Divines, please help me.